In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept meeting invite in Upwork. We'll start right from your browser. Open it up and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Upwork and press Enter. From the results, click the official Upwork website. If you already know the address, you can type it directly into the address bar. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your messages. Once you're in, navigate to Messages. You'll usually find messages in the top navigation or through the chat icon. This is where all your conversations with clients are stored, and it's also where meeting and interview invites appear. Open the conversation where you received the meeting or interview invite. Inside the thread, you'll see an invite card with a button that says, Pick a date and time. Click that. This opens Upwork's built-in scheduler so you can choose a time that works for both you and the client. Before you choose a slot, set the correct time zone. This is important because it ensures the time you pick matches your local time. Upwork may detect your time zone automatically, but double-check it, especially if you're traveling or using a VPN. If it's not correct, select the right time zone from the drop-down so there's no confusion later. Next, select a date from the available options. You'll see the open slots for that day. Choose a time that fits your schedule and leaves you a little buffer to prepare. It's a good idea to quickly glance at your calendar to avoid overlaps. If a date looks full or a time is grayed out, it's simply unavailable. Pick another slot that works. When you're happy with your selection, click Confirm. That's the final step to lock in your meeting. Upwork will record your choice and typically send a confirmation in the message thread. You may also receive a notification or calendar invite, depending on the client's settings. Take a moment to verify the meeting details in your messages, including the date, time, and time zone you selected. As a courtesy, you can send a brief note in the same thread to acknowledge the booking and confirm any agenda points or the meeting link if one wasn't included. Before the day arrives, consider testing your microphone and camera, and plan to join a few minutes early so you're ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully accepted a meeting invite in Upwork, from finding the message to confirming the date and time with the correct time zone.